In this video, I'll show you how to connect over Bluetooth your DJI Mic 3 with your PC Windows computer. So let's get started. So the first step is to obviously turn on your DJI Mic. I'll press this red button until it vibrates. Perfect. Now it's time to put it in pairing mode. I'll press the pairing button right under it until this light over here will blink green. I'm keeping it pressed. Okay, it's blinking green. I can release the button. Set this aside your PC. And now we need to go into the Bluetooth settings. Usually over here on your PC, you're gonna see the Bluetooth logo. If you don't, click the arrow and then you're gonna see the Bluetooth over here. Click on it and then select Add Bluetooth Device. Then you need to select Add Device. The first option, which is Bluetooth. Now wait, and the DJI Mic will appear on this display. Just be patient. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. If nothing is appearing, maybe it's because your DJI Mic has exit pairing mode. So if it's not blinking green anymore, press the pairing button until it blinks green again. And here you go, you see it appeared right away. It just exit that pairing mode. So tap on the DJI Mic 3. It's connecting currently. Give it a few more seconds. And now it is connected, has a mic. You see, it has recognized. You can now use this mic to record things on your PC computer or take video calls. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.